Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both phones and starting the sign-in now. On phone A, open Settings Right Arrow Accounts Right Arrow Add Account and choose Google. You enter your email and password so the account is created. Once done, accept permissions and enable basic sync options. This ensures contacts and calendar propagate. On phone B, repeat Add Account and sign in with the same credentials. Make sure two-factor prompts go to the device you control so authentication completes smoothly. Once both phones recognize the account, you configure sync and security settings. On each device, open Accounts Right Arrow Google Right Arrow Account Sync and toggle which data to mirror. This prevents unnecessary duplicates while keeping essential info synced. Next, go to Security Right Arrow Two-Step Verification and verify trusted devices. Add backup codes in case one phone is unavailable. Make sure screen lock and biometric options are enabled on both phones to protect. To finish, you verify everything is working and address common problems. Open Gmail, Contacts, and Drive on both phones to confirm recent items sync. Update app permissions for seamless access. If an app fails to show data, sign out and re-add the account, then clear cache for Google Play services and the affected app. If sign-in problems persist, make sure both phones have correct time and date and that Google Play services are updated. This fixes most token and sync errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.